6 nuts holding the backing plate to the radius arms. Use a ratchet strap to hold the radius arms in place to ease installation. Remove the rear plate. Install the lower mount with the provided hardware. Using the M10 by 80mm hardware, install the upper bumper tubes, making sure that the alignment washers are up against the frame on the inside and also the outside. Install your end cap to the ends of the bumper. Start the bolts into the lower portion of the bumper. Install the clamp to the bumper tube to the bumper. Fully tighten the hardware in an X pattern. Install the D-ring. Be sure to fully tighten all the hardware. So that's how super easy it is to install SuperATV's rear bumper on this Can-Am Maverick X3. For more information on this bumper or any of SuperATV's great products, give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.